Alright, welcome to Tribulation 515 2011. Today is day 248 of the Tribulation. It's Tuesday, January 17th, 2012. Man, we have come a long ways since day one. And the world has continued to spiral downwards into chaos. The good news is, I think, as much as we're still kind of going down, I'm actually starting to see the other side, the upside. But we still have a ways to go as far as the tribulation. 2012, that's the year we got to survive, the crazy year. So in that regard, we got the end of the Mayan calendar, December 21st. We got a lot of stuff, as far as the progression of the sun and the zodiac. I think what you're going to see this year is a lot of people making predictions and things happening. The next big juicy date is the spring equinox in March. Chances of a war breaking out are really good, and that's bad. Just so you know, I'm not rooting on war. It's not like go war. Everybody wants peace. Give peace a chance. But that being said, I'm just an observer watching the news, and things don't look good. Especially just in the Middle East. The Iran situation seems to be just deteriorating, and Syria is a mess. Saudi Arabia wants to send troops into Syria. Syria is saying no way. So, I just think something going down, in the Middle East, possibly Israel launching an attack. But who knows? Could be the U.S. as well, in the Suez Canal, the Straits of Hormuz, having, some kind of a battle. And nobody wants Iran to get nuclear missiles. But the dark truth is, they have them. That's the truth. And they have the ability to deliver them. Anybody telling you otherwise, just blowing smoke and mirrors. The global economic collapse continues because the whole monetary system is unsustainable and based on debt. And everybody is more in debt than ever and going further in debt every day. And at some point, it's just going to collapse in on itself, and the rich will get richer and poor people will get poorer. So the only question we got is there going to be some alternative choice or fork in the road? Is that what 2012 and beyond presents to us? Which is try and fix the old broken, corrupt system, or possibly figure out a new system that is sustainable and is a positive input, a positive footprint on the planet, versus the current system, which is unsustainable and for the most part leaves a negative imprint on the planet. Whether it's pollution or greed or corruption or war or whatever. It just isn't working with planet Earth lately. So, one of the stories and conspiracy type things currently circulating out there, and what I know is, I've been telling you, is everybody's going to be trying to connect the dots in 2012. 1 + 1 = 2, 2 + 2 = 4. Numerology, horoscopes, signs in the heavens, revelations, whatever. So one thing that's kind of currently making the rounds on YouTube is strange noises heard around the world. So I spent, an hour or so last night watching a ton of videos with these strange noises. And I've come to the conclusion that it is just basically a big hoax. You know, it's an audible fake crop circle. You know, like if you look at crop circles, I actually think there are some legitimate crop circles. I actually kind of believe in crop circles, that somebody's giving us a message. But that being said, there's a ton of fake crop circles. But, you know, you can mix them all together, and soon either all the crop circles look all fake, or they all look real, even the fake ones. But that's kind of what's going on with these strange noises, and the videos with the strange noises is some of the videos, the noises are actually real. In my opinion, there might be explosions, like somebody doing, you know, setting off dynamite in a mountainous area, or it could be like some kind of audio echo from a jet engine or something flying over a city. But other sounds are, I would say, edited in, post-edited, you know, like a synthetic, you know, synthesizer type noise. And of course, all these people are saying, oh, these noises are scary, and it's the end of the world, it's an apocalypse, sounds of the apocalypse. Well, that sounds good, except I just think the whole thing's pretty much fake. And, you know, here in San Jose, it's 46 degrees, the sun is shining, it's getting cold, but it's winter. But, you know what? I don't hear any noises. You know, there's no strange noises. So, you know, I think that's one of the big dangers of, you know, 2012 is when people try and connect the dots. Some people are going to purposefully connect dots or set things up so that they're going to say are real and they're not real. Or they're going to mix in, you know, like fake noises with real noises. So pretty soon you can't tell if they're all fake noises or if they're all real noises. But, you know, me, after careful inspection, I'm saying they're all fake noises, you know. They're not real at all. You hear that? What the hell was that? Whoa. Anyway, you know, I just ran those in. Those are fake noises. You know, I got those, you know, I'm a video editor, so that was fake noises. So I'm just showing you, anybody can run fake spooky noises in on a video. And, you know, if you do it in post-edit, it'd be almost impossible to tell real noises from fake noises. Now that noise I just kind of ran in on my computer by turning up the volume knob. So hopefully it got, you know, you heard that. But, you know, audible crop circles, that's all these are. Fake audible crop circles are the strange noises, you know. As far as signs of the end times, we'll have to see, you know. Stars, the moon, the sun, earthquakes, and definitely volcanoes, because we got volcanoes activating all around the world. So I think that is part of what's happening in 2012, is that our planet, the galactic alignment is happening, and that's going to be the driving force of a lot of the changes, and possibly what pushes all of us out into the wilderness, Exodus 2012. If you want to know more about that, got to go over to Operation End Times. I'm going to be putting out Into the Wilderness Part 3, and really diving into the deep end of what going into the wilderness in the end time means. So, you know, you might slide on over to Operation End Times. In the meantime, I'm going to think positive, because even though there's still, you know, 2012 that we got to, you know, get through, you know, I can see the other side of whatever it is we're going through. You know, there is another side. So I'm going to think positive, I'm going to be positive, and together we'll get through the tribulation. All right, keep on rocking.